Super Rs3m V2 Ball Core unboxing. The box looks luxurious, and it's also magnetic. All of this cube's variant are UV coated, including the standard version. It has turquoise, teal internals, which represents the ball core variant. It also has a bit of self-alignment. First turns. The cube is a bit loose out of the box, and I think it needs to be broken in to get its full potential. But it's more controllable than its maglev variant. Let's do a solve. Pretty bad look ahead. Overall, this cube is pretty nice, and it doesn't feel as the Super Rs3m 2022. It has a unique, clacky, and smooth feel.